Python memory usage of Numpy arrays. I'm using Python to analyze some large files and I'm running into memory issues, so I've been using sys.getSizeOf to try and keep track of the usage, but its behavior with Numpy arrays is bizarre. Here's an example involving a map of albedos that I'm having to open. Well, the data's still there, but the size of the object, a 3600 by 7200 pixel map, has gone from 200 MB to 80 bytes. I'd like to hope that my memory issues are over and just convert everything to Numpy arrays, but I feel that this behavior, if true, would in some way violate some law of information theory or thermodynamics, or something, so I'm inclined to believe that getSizeOf doesn't work with Numpy arrays. Any ideas?
You can use array.inbytes for Numpy arrays, for example. Output.
The field rights will give you the size in bytes of all the elements of the array in a numpy.array. Notice that this does not measure non-element attributes of the array object, so the actual size in bytes can be a few bytes larger than this.
To add more flesh to the accepted answer, summarize and provide a more transparent memory example. Note that int 8 is 1 byte. Will produce the following output. A dot in bytes equals 1000 gives size of the numerical elements, 1000 numerical elements. GetSizeOf equals 1128 gives the size of both numerical elements and the reference machinery. B dot in ties, the size of the numerical elements independently of the location of memory, is not affected by the view status of B. GetSizeOf B equals 128. Only calculate the size of the reference machinery, it is affected by the view status. GetSizeOf B.base equals 1128. This calculate the size of the numerical elements plus the reference machinery independently of the view status. Summarizing. If you want to know the size of the numerical elements, use array.inbytes and it will work independently of whether there is a view or not. If you, on the other hand, want the size of the numerical elements plus the whole reference machinery, you want to use getSizeOf array.base to get reliable estimates independent of your view status.
In Python notebooks, I often want to filter out dangling numpy.int arrays, in particular the ones that are stored in _1, _2, etc. that were never really meant to stay alive. I use this code to get a listing of all of them and their size. Not sure if locals or globals is better here.